How do you start monetizing your YouTube content? See, if you're somebody who is new to YouTube and you aren't in the YouTube Partner Program yet, which requires you to have 500 subscribers and at least 2,000 watch hours, you probably are struggling to make any kind of money from your videos. You probably don't even think that it's possible for you to make money right now. But I'm here to tell you that that's not true. You can start making money from your videos today if you implement the right strategies. So let's go over them. So most people think that you make money from YouTube ads and that's it. But this is a lie. There's actually a lot of different ways to monetize your content that you can do before you even have 500 subscribers and 2,000 watch hours. These include affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling courses, and more. We're going to discuss them in this video. If you're an educational creator like me, you are going to have the easiest time starting to make money from info products. Info products are basically any products where you sell information. So if you sell a course, if you sell an ebook, if you sell a coaching call, all of those are info products. And these are very, very powerful because they're very high leverage. You don't need to buy a bunch of units of physical products. You don't need to buy boxes and boxes and boxes of physical things that you're going to sell, right? Like if you're a business and you're running a brick and mortar business, you have to buy physical t-shirts or you have to buy milk and eggs, right? You have to buy a bunch of stuff. And this costs a lot of money for this inventory. But the power of the internet is that we're able to sell products that are not physical. We're able to sell digital products that take $0 to produce, but can make massive amounts of money. This makes it so there's a very high profit margin on these products. And if you're promoting through social media, and if you're watching this, you're a YouTuber, right? You don't have to pay anything to make a video and promote your product to your audience. So not only is the inventory free for info products, it's also free to market the product. So this makes it one of the most powerful business models in the world. And you'll see there's many creators out there who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month or more selling info products. And a lot of these guys don't even have massive audiences. And you can start doing this from 0 subscribers, right? And as long as you are giving value in your videos, you have enough content out there, and then you start putting links in your descriptions and mentioning your product in your videos, you can start getting sales on it. If you want to start making money today, literally go to a website that allows you to start selling info products. On my channel, SmartyRBX, which is a Roblox game development channel I've built over the last 5 years, it's my biggest channel. It has 100,000 subscribers. I sell Scripting Secrets, which is a course about scripting and making popular Roblox games. This course sells for $97 and I get a good amount of sales each month, and it gives me an extra income stream that often makes more than I make on ads each month. I use ClickFunnels to host this on my own website, but ClickFunnels costs $200 a month for the plan that I use. So if you want to do something that is a lot cheaper, you can use a website called PayHip or Gumroad. And there's other ones out there too that are completely free. And they allow you to set up your own site and start selling digital products for free. So if you're somebody who wants to make money from YouTube and you want to be able to do it from 0, info products are going to be the best way to go for you. If you're somebody who's not an educational content creator and what I've just said doesn't necessarily apply to you, right? And you're making videos about Overwatch or Minecraft or Rocket League, you should consider starting a new channel about education. Because if you're able to make that educational channel, you have a chance to monetize without being the biggest creator in the world, without having 10 million subscribers, without being Mr. Beast. You're able to start making some money and turning your content creation skills into a career with the right amount of work and consistency. So literally just write down all the topics you have knowledge in. Like if you're a YouTuber, video editing, thumbnail design, you at least have some knowledge in those areas, right? Write them down. And then after you're done with the list of all the different topics you could teach, you want to pick the one that you know the most about and would enjoy talking about on YouTube, and that would have high monetization potential. Because obviously talking about real estate is going to make you a lot more money than talking about skateboarding, even though both could be education. So after you have that topic picked, start your educational YouTube channel and start selling products as soon as possible. You'll also want to make sure that you build up an email list and To do this, you can use a website called ConvertKit. This is another site that allows you to not only have your own store, right? They provide that service as well, but also they allow you to market to people. You got to collect your audience's email addresses by giving them a lead magnet, which is basically something that is designed to lure them in by giving them some free value. And they give their contact information. So once you have that email list built up, you can start selling your product to them through email. And email is much more powerful for sales than video because there's no competition there, right? On YouTube, there's all these different videos trying to get their attention. But on email, when they're just in their inbox and your email is open, your text, the message you want them to receive, fills up the entire screen, and there's no distraction. It's incredibly powerful, and you're going to get higher conversions from email marketing than directly selling on YouTube in most cases. All right, next. So how do you get sponsorships, even if you're small? So the first thing you want to do is you want to put a business email into your channel. So inside of the YouTube Studio customization section, go to the About panel, and then just add a business email inside of the section that allows you to put one in. And then also put your business email inside of your channel's description if you're okay with bots and spam, because they will come in through there, but you might have a higher chance of getting sponsors because people have to click in order to see the business email spot, but people don't have to click to see your description. So then if you're making content and you're getting views and your content's good, you're going to start getting people reaching out to you, right? If you're super small right now, if you don't have that many subs, you might not get any, but at least the door is open by having that email listed on your channel. Now, if you want to expedite the process and have the highest chance of getting sponsors that will pay money to promote their stuff in your video or their company in your video, reach out to companies directly. You can go to companies that are in your niche, like finance, like copywriting, like drop shipping, like e-commerce, like Roblox game development, and you can reach out to those companies that are related, that are in your field, and are looking for people who are in your audience. And you can just type up an email offering them a sponsor. And you can even use ChatGPT to help you write this email. Obviously, make sure it sounds human, but give them that. You can tell them a price or not, right? I would start it off high because that shows that you value yourself, right? Even if you're only at 200 subscribers, emphasize the value to them, right? Say, yeah, I have a growing audience right now. It's highly targeted, so I believe it will be a great fit for your product, and I'll be able to help you guys get some sales from customers who are truly into what you're offering. And then say, I'm going to charge you $100, $200, however much for a full video or for 2-minute integration. So give them that offer. It's 2 parts. Show the value you can provide to them with your audience, why you're a good fit for promoting their stuff, and then make your offer, give them a price point, set it high, and let that do the heavy lifting of demonstrating your value and belief in yourself to them, increasing the odds that you get a good, high-paying sponsor. All right, next, affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a great way to make money from YouTube, because if you're in a niche where people need to buy certain products in order to properly do certain things, like if you're making videos for artists, they need pens or they need paint, right? You're able to be the middleman who helps people find the products they need and make some money by promoting those products, makes a percentage of the sales that you drive. So if you promote some pens on Amazon in your video review about them, you're able to get a cut of the income that comes from people clicking your link and buying it. You can go to different websites that have affiliate programs. Amazon has one. Anybody can sign up for it. Just type in Amazon affiliate program on Google, and you're going to find that page where you can sign up. Start doing this right away. You can do this in almost any niche. Like if you're in gaming, you can make a video about some of the best gaming mice or your gaming mice. Review a product that's related to your niche, and you'd be surprised how much money you can make from this at a small size. Even if it's just $20 a month or $30 a month extra, that's great income you weren't making before. So jump in on this. Let me know how much you make. All right, the final way I'm going to tell you how to make money from YouTube, no matter what size you are, is donations. So a lot of you might be thinking, but Remy, donations are something that you get only when you're monetized and when you're live streaming. right? You can get super chats, but I can't do that right now. And that's where you're wrong. You can start getting donations right now, even if you're only at 20 subs. So, the way that you do this is you go to a different website and you get a link that allows you to take donations right now. A good one is called Buy Me a Coffee. And you can sign up for their site and you can start getting donations immediately. Hook it up to your PayPal and then start promoting it inside of your YouTube video descriptions, on your channel's about page, in your pinned comments, on your community posts. Give people a good reason to donate and you can start making money right away. A lot of people, they will make this money by having a cause, right? So for example, a cause I've seen is these guys who talk about the Andrew Tate case. So these guys will show the different evidence against him, and they'll also expose things from his past that are relevant to the case. And if you're wondering my own opinion, personally, I think the evidence is pretty damning against him, and it looks like he's going to jail, and if all the allegations are true, he deserves it. But that's besides the point. These guys, they market on the fact that they're doing a service. So Murdered by Crayons and Gadget, these are two guys who do this. They will promote a Buy Me a Coffee link, for example, and it's all under that perception of, hey guys, I'm exposing all the evidence on the case. We're some of the only people that do this. You guys got to support the cause. This is the only way I can make money from my work. And out of people feeling like, damn, they're doing a service for us, they want to buy and they want to pay money. It's a smart persuasion tactic, especially when you're one of these guys who is presenting themselves as somebody who just is doing a public service for free. And I think that if you're somebody who wants to make money from your work and you're somebody who doesn't really want to go hard monetizing through info products or something like that, going down this route of taking donations and emphasizing why people should do it to support your work, kind of like a starving artist fund in a way, though without the starving part, I hope. It can be a great way to make some money without going too hard down other monetization angles. So, let me know in the description how you will implement these to make the most money possible, and I will see you next time on Remy Mindset. Click here to learn how to get to 100,000 subscribers as a YouTuber like me on my channel, SmartyRBX. See you there.